have done sock, dock, and rock. Now, number 4, are you ready for number 4? Number 4 is, let's see, it is something that when we go into our house, and it should have a what on it, okay? This word, it starts with ooh. When we go in our house, we gotta, when we leave our house, we need to lock the house, right? Not unlock. That was that first one. That one wouldn't work. But lock, right? Lock the house. Lock. Okay, so we're gonna start with the L. What letter is that? L. Then what's after the L? O.
O.
C. And then a K. You're right. Okay, so sock, dock, rock, lock. They all do what? They rhyme. They all sound alike, right? All right, number 5. All right, so number 5 is going to have, it's going to be like lock, but I'm also going to add another letter to the word lock, actually, okay? So if I put a B-U to the ock, what word am I going to have? It is block, okay? So this one has a little bit more letters in it, right? All right, so block. What letters does block start with?
What letter do I need to put first?
All right, what letter? B.
Mm-hmm. Now what?
O. L.
O.
A. O. Then what's next? C. K.
Good job.
There you go. How many letters is in block? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's a lot of letters.
5 letters, and the other ones had 4. Okay, so let's go to number 6. Number 6, it's going to be like block, okay? This one, I'm going to put a cool in front of it. So if I put cool, and I'm adding cool to the ock, what word do I have? You're right, clock. All right, so let's spell clock with Miss Madden. Cool.
What does it start with?
C.
Good job.
L.
What's next?
A. O.
Then
C. Then a K. There you go, clock. And again, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters, just like block, right? Okay. Number 7 is, this is another one. If I put full in front of ock, full plus the ock, put it together, and now I have flock, right? Flock. So what letter does flock start with? F. Full O. L. A. O. Then a C. And K. There you go. A flock. Okay. So if I have like a flock of birds, what does that mean? It's a group, right? A group of birds, right? Where they all flock together. They're going to all go together, right? Okay. Number 8 is, this one is, I don't know if some of y'all do this. I know my girls do. But they like to do their, or a clock will go tick, what? Tock, right? So let's spell talk, okay? What letters are in talk that we hear? T, 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 t. What letter is that? T, T. Good. Then our family, ock, O. Then what? C and K. So this word has 4 letters, okay? 4 letters. All right, number 9 is, now this one's gonna be a little bit more difficult. We had this kind of word in our last spelling quiz that we did. but you'll see what I'm talking about. The word is, what is this? When I'm at a door and I'm doing this. That's a knock, right? Knock. Okay, but this one's a little funny one. It's got that silent K in it, just like the word knob did when we did knob. Okay, so this is knock. Do you remember what that silent letter was in knob? Well, it's going to be the same letter as in knock. Okay, that letter is a K. Just we don't hear it. And then the next letter is a N, just N. Okay. And then O. Then, tell me, CK. All right, and now we're back to how many letters in knock? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters in knock, okay? All right, so this is just one. We don't hear the K, okay? Okay? Okay.
Okay.
All right, and our last one. All right, our last word is, if I have awk and I put st in front of it, my word is stock. Okay, stock. What letter do we hear in the front? S. And T. Then O, C, and K. All right, another 5-letter word. Stock.
So it's like talk.
Yeah.
Yes.
Just like we have talk, and we're building another beginning sound in front of that to make another word. Okay, like in stock. So probably at home, you're getting lots of food and you're stocking up, right? You're all stocked up. All right, you've got a big stock at home of maybe toilet paper, paper towels,
Maybe some water.
Okay, so we have a big stock at home, okay? All right, so those are gonna be your sight words. And at home, I want you to continue doing the homework that we do. You are gonna write your words on your house. On your house that we have for you. Well, I have it here. Okay. You will get at your house. You know the house that I'm talking about, okay? For the word families. All right, so I want you to write these words for me on your house, okay? And then your 3 sight words that you're gonna have for this week are in your sight word book, okay? And every night I do want you to be reading this page. So your 3 sight words that you're gonna have is big, little, and do, okay? So write these 3 words along with your spelling words on your word family house.
And they'll also get the booklet, their favorite booklet that they do when they come see me on Tuesdays, that they put in order. There's the little
Here it
booklet.
is. Oh, here's the house. Here's the house, and then the book.
The book, this thing that Miss Madden gives you, I cut it up for you and you put it in order. Well, you get to cut it and you get to put it in order yourself. Remember, the numbers are at the bottom of the pages, okay? And you get to put it in number order and then have mommy or daddy staple it, okay? And then you'll have your book for the awkwards.
Yeah, you'll have a little reader for the awkwards, okay? Continue working your spelling homework. Again, you got rainbow write. Pick 3 different colors and write a word in one color, and then pick another color, write the word again. So really you're gonna write the word 3 times, okay? And they'll create a little rainbow here on your rainbow write, okay? This is one that we do a lot for homework. It's writing the words, writing a word, putting an illustration to it. An illustration is what? It's a picture, right? And writing some sentences down here. Remember, when we write sentences, we start with what kind of letter? You're right, a capital capital letter, and we end it with a punctuation, such as, if it's a telling sentence, if we're saying something, it's going to end in a period. If you're asking something, you're going to end the sentence with a question mark. And if it's something very with lots of excitement, we use a exclamation mark, right? So make sure you put the punctuation on your sentences. Okay, so that's another homework. I have another one where you can just, again, practice writing your words. They're in colors and markers, pencils and pens. You can practice with different kinds of writing, what do you call this thing? Writing stuff.
They can pick their pen. They can pick if they want to do pencil, crayon, markers.
Pencil, marker.
At home, they can kind of change it up a little bit, right? Write with something fun instead of pencil all day.
Okay. And I'm going to give you, there's two on a sheet where you can write a word, and if you have dice at home, you can roll a dice and write the word for the number that you got on your dice. Okay, we know how to do this, right? We've done this lots and lots of times. Okay. Here is some more practice with your words that you can do. It's writing beginning sounds. It's going to give you the picture. Put the beginning sound for that picture. And then you read the word, you draw a straight line to the picture here. And then here's a word search. You look for the word in this big cluster of letters, okay? So there's some more practice. And this is practicing, again, graphing. Okay, we've done some graphing in here. So what I want you to do with this, you're going to count how many, the word clock, how many clocks do you have? Okay, you go through, you count. For example, if you have 3, then I want you to write, and I don't know, I'm not doing it, I'm just, for example, if you have 3, I want you to write the word clock, so it'll be 3 times, okay? I don't want you to put the number 1, 2, or 3, or color, I just want you to write the word. So that gives you extra practice in writing the words, okay? All right, so there's that, and I need you to, again, look into your sight word book and read every night. Read every night these sentences. I see some there, they got some questions. Okay, they're asking questions. And it's going to say, like, the brown dog is little. So what color are you going to color this dog here? You're going to color it, it says brown, right? So you just follow what it says, okay? And again, every night. And what you also can do, if you want some more, we need to be doing this. Somebody was telling me they started at the very beginning of this book and just read through it, and I was like very proud. But go from the beginning and see if you can read everything from here, okay? Just kind of going back and refreshing, okay? But this is for this week right now, okay? You have your words at home. Put them on a ring. Go through them, okay? Go through them. Practice writing them.
Make some flashcards.
Yeah, flashcards. Practice writing. It's very, 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 very important because there's lots of writing going on in first grade. Okay? All right. I believe that is it for our word family, awk. Okay? All right. Well, you do lots of practice. We miss you. We can't wait for you to get back here. All right? All right. Bye now.